While you're off exploring faraway lands, how do you plan to stay connected? Internet's a must while traveling. You need it for everything from Google Maps to ordering an Uber, scanning QR codes for menus, and especially finding your new favorite foreign restaurant. This was a big worry for us when we traveled to Newfoundland and Italy last year because even though we wanted to get away from it all, we still had to stay connected. Figuring out how to stay connected in Italy without breaking the bank was time consuming and so confusing. So we've joined forces with Airalo to save you hours of online research before your next trip. I wish we'd had it while we were in Italy because it would have saved us so much money on our data plan. So let me show you how easy Airalo is to use and why you'll want to use it on your next trip. Airalo provides you with an eSIM card that will allow you to be connected to a data plan in over 200 countries and regions the moment your plane hits the tarmac. Okay, let's back up just a minute. What exactly is an eSIM? Well, do you remember those tiny little plastic SIM cards that we needed for our cell phones to work, but were a total pain to put in and out of the phones? An eSIM is a digital version of those tiny little plastic SIM cards. They identify your phone virtually to provide network connection, and they're built right into your newer smartphone. They are simple and easy to use, and you don't have to stand in line at the airport at your vacation destination to purchase one. The best part about eSIM technology is you get to keep your original phone number available for calls and texts, which means you can stay connected to everyone here while you Google map the bus schedule to visit ancient ruins over there. So now that you'll be ditching those tiny little plastic SIM cards, let's walk through how simple it is to connect to eSIM with Airalo. First, let's make sure your phone has the eSIM technology. Most phones manufactured after 2018 will have the technology on board. If you don't see your phone listed here, you can check Airalo's website to see if your device has eSIM capability. Next, you'll want to head to your app store and download the Airalo app. Then sign up. I'll be using an iPhone today to walk you through the very simple installation process. The Airalo app is user-friendly and allows you to set everything up before you leave your house, so you're ready for your first Google search the moment your plane lands. Once you have the app downloaded, you can easily choose the type of coverage you need. Local eSIMs will cover you for one country, regional is for multiple countries in the area, and global, which will cover you for more than 100 countries. Our next trip will be to the beaches of Normandy, so I'm going to choose local and then France. You can see you have several coverage options for France. You can choose how much data you need and how long you'll need the coverage. 3 gigabytes of data for 30 days is only $10. It is crazy how inexpensive these data plans are. Not sure how much data you'll need for your trip? Well, it depends on what your needs are and how many of our videos you plan to watch on your vacation. This will give you a place to start. But don't worry, Airalo will allow you to extend your package at any time so you can add more data if you start running low. I'm going to choose the 3 gigabyte plan, but below the plan you'll see the top-up packages that you can add onto your plan if you need them later on. Hit the buy button, then scroll down to tap the apply code to enter our discount code SOMEDAY3 for $3 off your very first eSIM purchase. Then just click the payment method to complete your purchase. It's that easy, and now your eSIM is ready and waiting to be activated for your trip. But don't activate your eSIM until you're actually ready to use it. To find the eSIM after your purchase, go back into the app and click the icon at the bottom that says My eSIMs. When you're ready to activate the eSIM, click on the one that you need and you'll see 3 activation options: direct, QR code, or manual. The easiest and fastest is direct, as it does all the work for you. So I'm going to walk you through this option today. Oh, and if you have an Android, just know the steps might be slightly different than what I'm going to show you today on my iPhone. Airalo also has a step-by-step guide on their website if you need it. Before you get started, make sure you're logged onto a really good internet connection, because if you lose Wi-Fi during the installation, it might cause some problems. Now tap Install SIM to allow it to go through the process. It might take a couple minutes, so be patient. Now you're going to click Continue until you get to the screen that says Activate eSIM. Press Continue and you'll see that it says Activating. And then to continue the activation, press continue again. Now it's going to ask you to choose a default line. This determines which line you're going to use for your messages and your cell calls. Your primary, which is your regular phone line, or secondary, which is the Airalo eSIM. I would keep it on primary until you get to your new location, and then you can go back in and you can change it to secondary, which will use the eSIM. Now it's going to ask you which you would like for iMessage and FaceTime. Again, keep it on primary until you reach your destination. Finally, choose your default line for cellular data. Choose primary again until you get to your destination. All right, next, this is really important. Make sure allow cellular data switching is turned off on your cell phone. This prevents your phone from going back to your regular plan. If it floats back to your regular plan while you're on vacation, it may end up costing you roaming fees and other fees. So make sure this is always turned off. Okay, that's it. You'll get a green message saying your eSIM has been successfully installed. The great thing about Airalo is your time on the eSIM will not actually start until you get to your destination, log in, and use your data connection for the very first time. So for us, that's going to be France. So we can do all of this installation ahead of time on our own stable Wi-Fi before we even get there. And once we get to France, it's so easy to go in and turn on our new Airalo eSIM. We just go to settings, cellular data, then choose the secondary eSIM. And again, make sure allow cellular data switching is turned off in our settings. Now go back to the cellular data page and click secondary under SIMs. This makes sure the line is turned on, and that's it. We are now ready to call an Uber and go find the best ratatouille in town. Don't worry about how much data you're using, because you can always go back into the app and see exactly how much you have left on your plan. So if you go into the Airalo app, click on the eSIM icon on the bottom of the screen, you can see how much data you have consumed and what you have remaining. So you can add more data if you start running low with using any of the top off packages. Airalo is just so easy and inexpensive. I guarantee you we'll be using it on our next trip across the pond. And oh, you can also use it on your next cruise. If you're popping into a port and walking around exploring, you're gonna want cellular data on your phone. It is so inexpensive to use it this way. It is a great way to find the local restaurants and to make sure you have directions back to the ship. So if you're ready to simplify your travels, just click the link in the description below and grab our discount code and stay connected on your next trip without overspending like we did. So don't just travel smart with Airalo and save that money for something much better, like crepes in Paris. All right, guys, that's it for me today. Thanks for watching. We hope this solves your data dilemma for the next time you're on a trip.